have a story for you. A blind girl sat on the steps of a building with a hat by her feet. She held up a sign which read,
I am blind. Please help.
There were only a few coins in the hat, spare change from folks as they hurried past. A man was walking by. He took a few coins from his pocket and dropped them into the hat. He then took the sign, turned it around, and wrote some words. Then he put the sign back in the girl's hand so that everyone who walked by would see the new words. Soon, the hat began to fill up. A lot more people were giving money to the blind girl. That afternoon, the man who had changed the sign returned to see how things were. The girl recognized his footsteps and asked,
Are you the one who changed my sign this morning? What did you write?
The man said,
I only wrote the truth. I said what you said, but in a different way. I wrote, Today is a beautiful day, but I cannot see it.
Both signs spoke the truth, but the first sign simply said the girl was blind, while the second sign conveyed to everyone walking by how grateful they should be to see.
When your life seems full of troubles, it seems difficult to maintain an attitude of gratitude, doesn't it? All we see are our problems, like a blackened storm cloud casting a dark shadow over our lives.
So, what then is gratitude? Simply put, gratitude is a habit. It's a way of looking at the world and all the good things in it with a feeling of appreciation.
Please like, share, and subscribe our channel Upgraded Minds.